Good day, warriors. So look. I got something that finally came, honey. So y'all see that? This is my fandelier. I gave you a little sneak peek, but it is getting ready to be installed today, honey. You don't even know the half. You don't even know how pretty that thing finna be sitting up there looking.
All right, guys, so it has been installed by my handyman. This is how it looks, y'all, when the lights are off. It's beautiful. The fan is on the top. That's why, obviously, it's a fandelier. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna show you the fan on. And there's a remote. The blades come out and it puts out really good air. So now this is not going to give it justice once I actually turn it on, but I'm gonna turn on the actual light. It is bright. I mean, it lights up my entire living room and dining room. It's bright. So that is the bright one. Then we can take it down. Now I'm changing the color. This is like the yellowish, getting dimmer. More of the warm color, right? So that's the warmer. But again, it's not that great. There we go. Maybe you can see a little that it's the yellow. So then I'm going to change color again. Let me see. This is the cooler effect. More of the white light with the blue undertones to it. That's the cool effect. And then this is when I want to bring it all the way back down, kind of more on some romantic lighting type. This is nice and dim. Oh, I love this. Oh, I love it. And then I can bring it down even more, dim it all the way. Uh-oh, went back white. I went too far. I want to keep it on that yellow. Ooh. Love it. It is beautiful, y'all. Amazon, very reasonable, not flimsy or anything. Get into it.
All right, let's briefly run through some specs on this thing. So this is it. It is the Ohniyou 42-inch retractable ceiling fan with light crystal chandelier, ceiling fans, indoor with light for bedroom, living room. You probably could put it over your dining room if you wanted to do something like that. It would work too. It was only $169.99. Not bad at all. Let me just show you some of the pictures here. And that actually is true to color. That is how that warm tone looks, you guys. It took my handyman maybe an hour and some change to put it up, but that's also because he had to make a stop to go get batteries. I didn't have any batteries here for the remote control. But this is how the warm light, the neutral light, and that white light like I showed you guys. Yeah, these are all your pieces that come with it. It's beautifully made, good quality. It ain't no rinky-dink stuff, and it seems like it would be pretty easy to clean. The fan is very quiet, as I let you all hear when I turned it on. It was quiet, and I love it. So you can go right on Amazon, and it is the Ohniyou 42-inch retractable ceiling fan with light. Thank you guys for watching.